Did you say you want to update your fitness now? You want to update and enhance your English communication? You know, you're looking very great and very brilliant student if you will speak in English. That's why our school has started this zero period in which we will learn spoken English, we will play different games, different activities and other kind of attractive things. So we will be the real and great Belmontian. Are you ready for this? Okay, let's start today's class without any delay. Okay, very first thing, you have to keep 5 things in mind always. That after coming into the school from the main gate, everybody comes through the main gate, you will only speak in English. And listen, it is not important that you do not know. Because whenever we learn new things, when you came to the school in nursery class, you didn't know what is one, what is a, what is curve. No one didn't know that time, but afterwards, after coming to school, you came to know now. So you have to make very simple and very small sentences. Okay, when you come into the classroom, the very first thing that our attitude, our behavior should be good. Our behavior should be good. So do accordingly. Behavior should be good. Okay, copy my step. Behavior should be good. Okay, how many students after rising up in the morning, when you getting up in the morning now, do you say thank you to your parents? How many students say? I think no one says. Right now, you say thank you. Okay, what do you say? Please come here. Come this side. Yes. When you get up in the morning, what do you say to your parents? And do you say thank you also? Okay, students, we are the good students. We should try to impart and inculcate some good habits of this. Good habits will make us a real good student. In the classroom, when you enter now, then very decently you should ask and you should get a permission from your teacher. May I come in, ma'am? May I come in, sir? Okay, now? Then gently come to the classroom and sit on your benches. Okay, now? Then after, you should try to put your bag on the right place. And afterwards, you will take your books and notebooks silently. It has been several times seen that when the teacher is absent in the classroom now, you make so much noise. It is not a good thing. Do you make noise now? Because we can listen your noise from this place also. And noise is not good now. For example, now you are very great because you are keeping silence. You are keeping silence. So very first thing, you have to do 5 things. In the morning, when you get up, you should go to your parents and say good morning or say thank you also. Okay now? Thank you. How many students will follow my instruction? Raise your hands that when you will get up in the morning, you will go to your parents and say thank you to them. And what will the reaction from their side? The parents, your parents will hug you. Okay now? Will hug you. They will shower their love and affection on you. Okay now? And second thing, how many students after departing to the school, when they reach at the home, they throw their bags? Tell me. I know some students that they throw their bags as well as they do not put their shoes on the place. So how many students put their bags on the right place? Raise your hands. Do you put your bags on the right place? And what is the right place? Can you tell me? Rudrakshi, please come this side. Rudrakshi, do you put your bag on the place? Where do you put it? Where do you put your bag? In a corner? On the bed? Where? Yes, very good. Clap for Rudrakshi. She said that she foods are there on proper place. And what is the proper place? Proper place may be the cupboard. Proper place may be in the corner is any bench or something. Proper place may be any of the specific place for arranging the materials well. So, how many students will put their bags on their proper places? Raise your hands. Okay, now? If you will learn 2, 2, 3, 3 good habits daily, then after 1 month you will be incomparable. You will be incredible. Okay, now? And how many students make noise in the class? I know everyone make the noise. When you were coming now here, that time you were making noise. Okay, I will show 3 students here. They will tell us that how should we walk in the corridor. Yes, you come forth, and parts also come here and tell us how should we walk in the corridor. Okay, first of all, make a line over here. Your hand should be back. You can see here now. These watches are not allowed. Okay, now the fancy erasers, fancy sharpener, the bangles, earrings, fancy earrings, and smart watches and all, they are not allowed. Please do not be as stubborn for your parents. मामा मुझे चाहिए, मुझे ला के दो. ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. फर्स्ट टाइम अगर वो मना कर रहे हैं अपने अच्छे के लिए, then हमें बार बार जिद नहीं करनी चाहिए. Now you can see these 3 students now, they were holding their hands back. Okay, now walk properly. Yes, this way. This way you should walk. Okay, now the second thing, will you follow this walk? Say yes or no. Yes. Okay, I am not using Hindi because we will not use Hindi here. Maybe in the beginning days we will face some trouble, but you can see the demonstration. You will understand yourself. You will say, ma'am, my homework is not complete. Ma'am, can I come here? Ma'am, can I sit there? Oh, sorry, ma'am. Yesterday I forgot doing my homework. Okay, now you will start to make small sentences. Okay, now then after you will see a great transformation. After 15 days, 30 days, you will be all feeling very happy to speak in the same language, in English language. Now the second demonstration, you should walk in the center or right. They are moving in proper way, right now? So you should go left side in the center of the corridor or the right side. Tell me. Right side. But this is wrong side. In which side you have the pockets? Tell me. You have pockets? Left side, huh? So we should always walk in left side. In which side we should walk? Left side. Left side. And okay, just give me your sign. Okay, now you will say yes or wrong. I will show you some different demonstrations now of walking. If you say it is good, then say yes. If I will not walk properly now, say no. Okay, now you go and join the line. Okay, I am moving this way. Okay, if I am moving this way. No, but you walk now this way. Most of the boys and girls also walking this way. It's no, then why you are keeping this thing in a yes category of your life? It's bad thing now. So now tell me. Yes. Yes now? Okay. If I move this way. No. If I move this way. No. But I have seen that you also. We have now so many poster pasted. Banners, posters, so many flyers pasted on the wall now. You are hearing them now. It is not a good habit. Damaging the property of anyone's or ours. It's not a good habit. Okay now? So we should walk, and if you want to see something important, then see in a few minutes and then go. Don't touch them. Don't touch them. It is a bad habit. It is a bad habit. Did you get my point? So what first point I told you? In the morning, when you will get up, you will move to your parents and you will say good morning, or good morning mother, good morning father, and you will say thank you so much. What you will say? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The second thing you will do, that you will go and you will brush your teeth. Otherwise, if I say someone, get up, brush your teeth. No, no, मुझे नींद आ रही है. 7 a.m. You are getting up 7 a.m. You say नींद आ रही है. Is it a good habit or bad habit? How many students they get up early in the morning at 6:30 a.m. or 7 a.m.? Okay. After getting up, do you brush on time? And how do we brush our teeth? We don't know, sir. No, everyone knows. But what happens? You went to the wash basin. You turn on the tap. Water is flowing so much, and you are brushing your teeth. Is it a good habit? If you have turned on the tap, water is flowing very highly, then just do some gargles and then turn it off. Start doing brush. And from front side, inside, upper side, lower side, molar, premolars, all kind of things should be brushed very well. Okay? After completion, then now it's time to wash the mouth again, then turn on the tap and then do 5 times, 6 times and wash your mouth clearly. Will you follow this instruction? Yes, sir. And very foremost and very first and foremost important thing is that after going to home, do you sit with your parents? क्या आप अपने पेरेंट्स के पास बैठ कर उनकी पेड़ दबाते हो? Also, we are living in the fancy world. हम इस जमाने में बैठे पेड़ कौन दबाता है? ये गलत बात है. बहुत अच्छी बात है ये. Your attachment with your parents will grow 100 times simultaneously. एक साथ बढ़ जाएगा. You should spend time with your mother, with your father. आप में से कितने बच्चे अपने मम्मी पापा और अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के पास, दादा या दादी के पास बैठेंगे? Raise your hands. And you should work. You should do their work on time. If you say बेटा पानी लेके आना, तो कितने बच्चे वहां से भाग जाते हैं? When you get back से ना बेटा पानी लेके आना, then क्या आप उनको पानी ला के देते हो? Yes sir. सच में yes sir? Yes sir. Okay. If it is real yes sir, then you are a real good student. Okay ना? अगर वो कोई भी काम करे, मम्मी को किचन में कुछ काम होता है, if she looks for the plates, बेटा please bring 2 plates, then go. भागना नहीं तेज, carelessly नहीं, carefully जाना है, and you have to do that activity. And second thing, पापा दरवाजे के पास पहुंच चुके, oh यार I forgot my phone and it's getting late to reach to office. Then you should go, पापा I am bringing your phone, I am bringing your documents or whatever. Try to help. Okay na? We have to be good students by doing so many different good works. Will you do good works? Okay na? So overall, the essence of this whole talk, students, the main essence. Ma'am, you can turn off the way to be. Navista, do you study? Which subject do you study? Okay, English, EVS, Maths, and Hindi. You have almost 4 subjects now. Computer and GK also, but these are the 4 major subjects she studies every day. Now from this side I want to ask and call Vedans, come here. Vedans, do you speak in English? Now you will say no sir. Will you speak in English? Will you speak in English now? Yes. Say yes, say yes. Okay, now mostly what you say, no means yes means These are the sign language, but we have the blessed mouth now, we should use our tongue. Okay now? So whenever you talk to your mother, your father, and in the school with your teachers, you will speak in English. Okay now? Okay. If I say idhar aa jao, what will you say? Come here. Come here. अगर आप कहो वहाँ जाओ, यहाँ बैठ जाओ, अच्छे से खाना खाओ. Whenever use the word अच्छे से, say properly. Eat properly. Sit properly. Walk properly. Behave properly. Talk properly. Okay ना? If I say noise मत करो, then Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. Don't make a noise. सब बच्चे चुप रहो. English. Keep silent. All the students keep quiet or keep silent. Okay ना? Keep silent. Understand ना? If I say सुंदर लिखो. Write. You can also say write neatly, write beautifully, write clearly also. Okay ना? If I say that मैं अपना homework भूल गया. What will you say?
I forgot my homework.
भूलना means forgot. Means भूल गया means say past tense. I forgot doing my homework. I forgot doing my homework. I forgot doing my homework. Okay. I will complete my work now. What is the meaning? I will complete my work now. मैं अपना काम अब कर लूँगा. Okay ना? मैं अपना काम अब कर लूँगा तो क्या बोलेंगे इसके अंदर? I will complete my work now or today. मैं आज कर लूँगा. Coming. Aryan, scene क्या है? Then you have to come to your home. Then आप अपने बैग, अपने शूज रख के आप अपने पेरेंट्स से कैसे बोलोगे, कैसे ग्रीट करोगे, आपको दिखाना है. ठीक है ना? Comes to home and how he put the bag and talk to the parents. Okay. Aryan is an example of a good friend. Now who say good morning loudly. Aryan, say to her also. Say to her also. Okay, now put your bag somewhere. Put your bag here. Put your bag from this side. You can put your bag here. Yes. So we should put our bag in the assigned order. जहाँ भी लोग अपना सामान रखते हैं, on that particular place we should put the bag. Then you just go and ask how they are. आप कैसे हो? And how are you also? Do you any work? Do you any help? Do you need any? You say better bring that newspaper. No? You say bring that newspaper. Okay, go. And the father is saying to Aryan that bring that newspaper. Okay, na? The work is being given by the father, and he is reading like a good student. Okay. He is reading body very well. Welcome. Okay na? Whenever our parents say us to do the work na, then we should do the work on the same time. Do you do work on time? Yes. So very small things are very important. Okay na? And in the classroom also we are trying to help you. Okay, second thing. Now come this side. You come here. You say him to bring the water bottle. Yeah. He is going to bring the water bottle, and water bottle must be closed on the top now. Otherwise, water will spill on the ground. And this, yes. Say welcome. Okay, now these are the magical words, good words. You can enchant anyone. Okay, now. So. She is saying thanks to him because he did the work, and in return he is saying that welcome. Do you do the same things? Yes. The line is not proper. The line is not proper. Okay, thank you so much. Will you try to be a good student? Yes. Will you say good morning, good evening or afternoon to your parents? Yes. Will you speak in English? Will you take participation in all activities? Yes, sir. Suppose when you are entering in the room or in the class, will you get permission? Yes, sir. Whenever the door is closed now, then don't enter directly. Try to knock on the door. This way that you will knock on. This way. And then if they say yes, you can come in, then you have to go. Okay now? Okay, will you write beautifully? Yes, sir. Will you study daily? Yes. Will you be keep quiet while studying? Will you follow all the instruction given by the teacher? Will you behave very well with your other classmates? Will you open your books and notebooks before entry of the teacher? In the absence of teacher, will you keep quiet? Okay, now. So I want to ask that so many doctors, engineers, collectors, IAS officer, RAS officer, so many policemen, army personnel, so many students are here जो आगे बनकर ये आगे चलकर ये बनने वाले हैं. आप सबके ड्रीम होंगे ना, सबके आपके सबके ड्रीम है क्या? Do you have dream? Okay, I will ask 1 and 2, 4, 5 students that what they want to be in the future. What they want to be in the future. Okay, first of all, here, yes, Anaya, what do you want to be in the future?
IAS officer.
She wants to be an IAS officer. So clap for Anaya. Okay, Navishta, what do you want to be?
Doctor.
Doctor. And you?
IAS officer.
IAS officer. And you?
IPS officer.
IPS officer. And? Doctor. And you?
Teacher.
Teacher.
Doctor.
Doctor. Okay, all the doctors raise your hands. Those who want to be doctor, you can see these are the doctors. These are the doctors, you can see. How many teachers are here? Raise your hands. Teachers. Will you be the good teachers? Will you be a good teacher? Yes. These are the teachers. And how many students want to be the soldiers or policemen or army personnel? They are going to join the army to protect our country from enemies. How many students going to be businessmen? Raise your hands. Businessmen. These are the future businessmen of India. Scientists? Anybody scientist? Okay, these are our scientists. And will you help in the making of Chandrayaan 5? Because till that time we are about to launch Chandrayaan 5. Will you be a scientist? He is happily saying that he wants to be a scientist. Okay. Anyone else from these posts? इनके अलावा कोई क्या बनना चाहता है? Yes, what do you want to be? IAS officer, RAS officer. So many are here. Are you feeling happy here? Yes, sir. Okay.